what's going on, guys? Hope everyone's doing good out there. So today I'm going to bring you a quick little tip. I don't know if you guys know this or not. I don't believe my 2020 Honda Accord did this, but correct me if I'm wrong. Try it on yours and see if it works, but it's nothing crazy, but it is a neat little thing. Okay, so it has to do with the sunroof here. So if you have the sunroof open here, we'll push it open. Okay, so that's all the way open. Most people would do this if they want to vent it. You push it, has the one click, okay? Then you push up on it, and now it vents it. Okay, what's neat about this is it'll do it one fluid motion. Watch. Okay, so say you want to vent it, instead of clicking this and then have to push this, just push up on this for the vent and it'll do it all. It'll close it and vent it. So watch, just push up. All done. And then we can just close it, same way. So I thought that was pretty neat. I didn't know it did that. I would always, if I had it open and I want to drive on the road, it was too loud, I would push this all the way and then you have to push it again to vent it. I didn't know that you can just push the vent button and no matter if it's open or closed, it'll close it first and then vent it all in one fluid motion. So I thought that was pretty neat. Like I said, I never tried it, I don't think, on my Accord. So if you guys have the Honda Accord 2018, 2022, let me know if it does that. Like I said, I didn't know. I was just messing around with it. And I thought I would try it, and I did, and I was surprised that it actually worked. Again, I don't know if that's in the owner's manual or not, but I just wanted to try it. So again, leave a comment below if your guys' Honda Accord does that. Thought it was pretty neat. Just one step less you have to do if you want to go from open sunroof to a vent. Okay? So maybe that showed you guys something new if you didn't already know. If you have the Acura, and again, I'd like to know if the Accord does it, so definitely leave a comment below. I appreciate that. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.